Let us solve one problem from electronics of JEST Physics 2023 paper. The problem states that consider all possible Boolean logic gates with 2 inputs and 1 output. How many of such gates can be constructed? So for a 2 Boolean inputs A and B each can be 0 and 1. So inputs can be 0 and 1, right? So the number of input combinations is is 2 to the power 2 equal to 4, right? So this may be it may be 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, right? For each input combination the output can be 0 and 1. For each input combination, output can be 0 or 1, right? So for each of the 4 input combination the output can be independently either 0 or either 1. So this will be either 0 or 1, similarly this will be 0 or 1, similarly this will be 0 or 1, or it will be 0 or 1 output, right? Hence the total number of possible output combination, the total number of output combinations is 2 to the power 4 equal to 16, and our result is 16, right? So our required answer is 16, which matches with the option A of the given problem. Hope the solution is clear. So thanks a lot.